In a world dominated by sharp lines and glass walls, a quiet revolution is unfolding. American luxury homes are rediscovering the romance of history, where craftsmanship mattered, proportions told stories, and beauty endured generations. This is not nostalgia. This is evolution. Today, we explore a French Chateau inspired residence that blends old-world European elegance with modern American luxury, an architectural statement where heritage meets contemporary living.
Welcome to Creative Abode, where the art of design meets life. Explore unique architecture, innovative interiors, and inspiring spaces. Transform your home, discover new trends, and indulge in beautiful aesthetics. Let's create spaces that reflect your style, comfort, and creativity. Make yourself at home, and let your imagination wander.
The façade immediately commands attention. Symmetry, limestone textures, and a stately mansard roof establish a sense of permanence and prestige. Tall arched windows soften the structure while wrought iron balconies add refined ornamentation. This is architecture designed to impress without excess, balancing classical proportion with modern restraint. The entrance sets expectations. This home is not built for trends, but for legacy. Inside, the living room unfolds as a grand yet inviting space. Double-height ceilings elevate the experience, while exposed wooden beams ground it in warmth. A carved limestone fireplace anchors the room, complemented by modern furnishings that respect, rather than compete with, the architecture. Light flows generously through arched windows, creating contrast between shadow and glow, luxury defined not by size, but by balance. The master suite is a retreat shaped by calm sophistication. Soft neutral tones, tailored upholstery, and refined moldings create an atmosphere of controlled luxury. Tall windows invite daylight while maintaining privacy, and every material, from fabric to wood, speaks of intentional comfort. This is not indulgence for display, but for restoration, a space designed to slow time and elevate rest. The kitchen seamlessly merges function with heritage. Marble surfaces introduce timeless elegance, while custom cabinetry and brass accents elevate everyday use. Modern appliances are discreetly integrated, preserving visual harmony. Exposed beams and stone arches reinforce the chateau identity, proving that high performance and classical beauty can coexist. This is a kitchen designed not just for cooking, but for gathering. Overlooking the main living area, the mezzanine offers perspective, both architectural and emotional. Wrought iron railings echo the exterior language, while intimate seating transforms this space into a quiet refuge. It connects levels without interruption, allowing light and conversation to travel freely. The mezzanine is not an afterthought, it is a bridge between grandeur and intimacy. The bathroom becomes a sanctuary of refined indulgence. Marble surfaces, gold fixtures, and a freestanding tub establish spa-like serenity, while arched windows filter natural light with softness. Every element is restrained, deliberate, and tactile. This space reflects a philosophy where luxury is felt through calm precision, not excess ornament. The front yard reinforces the home's architectural narrative. Symmetry and landscaping mirrors the façade, while stone pathways guide visitors with intention. Manicured hedges and a classical fountain offer visual rhythm, framing the estate with dignity. This exterior does not simply decorate the home, it prepares you for it. Above it all, the rooftop reveals architectural mastery. The mansard roof, with its dormer windows and slate texture, defines the chateau's silhouette. A subtle terrace offers panoramic views without disrupting formality. From here, the home's proportions reveal themselves fully, balanced, composed, and timeless. The working room reflects intellectual elegance. Dark wood finishes, built-in shelving, and focused lighting create an atmosphere of purpose and clarity. Classical proportions encourage discipline, while modern comforts ensure efficiency. This is a space designed for thought, where productivity aligns with sophistication. The backyard extends luxury into nature. A stone terrace anchors outdoor living, surrounded by curated landscaping that feels organic yet controlled. Seating areas invite conversation, while sunset light transforms the space into a private retreat. This is outdoor design that respects architecture and environment equally. This French Chateau-inspired residence represents more than a design trend, it signals a return to architectural integrity. By blending historical elegance with modern luxury, it proves that timeless design still resonates deeply. In an age of speed and simplicity, this home reminds us that enduring beauty is always worth the craft.